morning, everyone. My name is Chebrolu Bhuvan. We are discussing the chapter 4, basic geometrical ideas. In last class, we had discussed about lines, and this class we are going to discuss about curves. See, in last class, lines. Lines means they are straight. Lines means they are straight. See, lines means they are straight. And what are curves? Curves means, see. Now I did not hold it straight. See, I hold tightly on both the sides. It is straight. It forms a line. See, now I'm holding it loosely. What it had formed? It had formed a curve. It had formed a curve. See. A curve is formed. Okay. A curve means, see. A curve means which has no proper shape. See. This is a line, and if I hold it loosely, it forms some shape. That is called as curve. Okay. In curve, we have two types. We have open curve and closed curve. Open curve and closed curve. See, now I had hold it like this. See. Okay. Now, this is a curve and it has, see, now like this it is. This is also a curve only. See. It has no proper shape. It's a curve and it is closed. See, it's not open on any side. So this is known as closed curve. And see, like this. This is also a curve and this is known as open curve. This is known as open curve. I repeat, see, a line. This is a line. If I hold it tightly on both the sides. If I hold it loosely, a curve is formed. In a curve, if the curve is closed, it is known as closed curve. If it is open, it is open curve. Okay. Now see. Now this is a curve, and it has no common point. See, this no joining point. So this is open curve, and see this, and it has one joining point. So this is closed curve. It is closed curve. It is closed curve. In curve itself, we have one more polygon. Okay. In curve itself, we will see next polygon. What we are going to see? Polygon. We are going to discuss polygon. A polygon is a closed figure first. A polygon is a closed figure. A closed figure made up of line segments. 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 Okay, see. Now, let us take one line segment. It is not closed. So, there is no polygon with one line. One line segment, there is no polygon. And even let us see two line segments. See. It is, see, with these both join also. Here it's not joined. So, they are not a closed figure. And so, this is not a polygon. So, polygon is not made of two line segments. And let us see three line segments. Three line segments. It is a closed figure. It is a closed figure. And it's made up of line segments. A polygon made up of three line segments is known as triangle. Triangle. This is the smallest polygon. And see. 6 line segments it is formed. And this is known as hexagon. And this is known as hexagon. Okay. If polygon is made up of 3 sides, triangle. Okay. Triangle. And it is made up of 4. It is called quadrilateral. quadrilateral. Okay, and it's made up of 5 pentagon. And it's made up of 6 hexagon. This is enough for now. Okay, this is enough for now. Okay, now let us recap polygon. A polygon is a closed figure which is made up of line segments, and a polygon made up of 3 line segments is called triangle, 4 line segments quadrilateral, 5 line segments pentagon, and 6 line segments hexagon. Okay. Now we are going to discuss sides, vertices, and diagonals of a polygon. Diagonals. Diagonals. See an example. Let us take pentagon. A closed figure, a closed polygon, let us take pentagon. A pentagon, let us take. See, it has 5 points. A, B, C, D, and E. Now, it has 5 sides. See, AB side, BC is a side, one more side, and CD is one more side, and DE is one more side, and AE. Okay, sides means 2 points. See, in a closed figure, 2 points, it will be joining and forming a line segment. That is also known as side only. Okay, see, now next let us discuss vertex. Vertex means if 2 sides meeting point is known as a vertex. See, now we have this 2 lines. See, AB and AE. AB line and AE line. They are joining at the point A. So, this point is known as vertex. We have 5 vertices. A, B, C, D and E. And let us see diagonal. Okay. What is a vertex? Vertex means if 2 lines join, 2 sides joining point is known as vertex. Next, diagonal. Diagonal means 2 lines join. That is 2 vertices join interior of a polygon. See. Now let us take two vertices. C and E. Okay. Now we have joined this. We have joined this. So this is a diagonal. And A and C let us join. This is also diagonal. And AD is also diagonal. And let us join B and E. Diagonal. And let us join B and E. Now for pentagon, how many diagonals we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 diagonals. 5 diagonals. Okay. And in pentagon we have 5 sides, 5 vertices, and even 5 diagonals. Now you understand what is sides, vertices, and diagonals. Vertices means if 2 sides joining point is known as a vertex, and if 2 points join interior of a polygon, that is known as diagonal. Interior, remember that name, interior. And one more, see, naming the position of a point. See, we have one quadrilateral. One point is inside, one point is on, and another point is outside. C. Now we have to tell which point is inside. Now we have to determine the location of the point. Now the point A lies inside the polygon. Lies inside the polygon PQRS. Point A lies interior of the polygon PQRS, and the point B lies on the quadrilateral TQRS, and the point C lies exterior of the polygon PQRS. I repeat, point A lies interior of the polygon PQRS, and point B lies on the quadrilateral, and point C lies exterior of the quadrilateral. Okay, now let us discuss what is an angle. Next. Next we are going to discuss what is an angle. Angle is formed when two rays, starting point of the two rays meet at a point. Starting point is common for two rays, then angle is formed. See like this. Now let us take O. Okay, and we can draw infinite rays from this starting point. See, two rays we have drawn, and this is OA ray and this is OB ray. Okay, for an angle, one ray is fixed. That is fixed ray. And this is terminal ray. So this ray will be moving. And fixed ray will be in the same place. See. For example, see. Now this is fixed ray and this is terminal ray. See. It moves like this. Terminal ray moves, but fixed ray stays at a point. Okay. Now angle. What is an angle? An angle is formed when the common point of the two rays is same. Okay. When the starting point of the two rays is same. See, the angle is formed here. Okay. See, if the two rays are like this, the angle formed is 90 degrees. Okay, like that we have some measures also. Now, what is an angle? An angle formed by fixed ray with the terminal ray moving is known as an angle. Okay, now let us see. Now, angle is measured by protractor. Protractor is a device that is used to measure an angle. Okay, that is used to measure an angle. Okay, see, now how many angles are there in a four-sided polygon? Let us see. Okay, see, this is a four-sided polygon. A, B, C and D. See, we have an angle here, an angle here, an angle here, and an angle here. We have four angles. Okay, we have four angles. Now, let us take one question. See. Now, these are four rays starting from same point, and they are asking name the angles here. Okay, and this common point is known as O. See, you have to name an angle as, this is angle symbol, and COD. Angle COD means angle from here, and Angle BOC means angle from here. An angle AOB means an angle from here. And angle AOC means an angle from here. If it is BOD means an angle from here. If it is AOD means the angle from full total angle. Okay, see. How to name an angle also we saw. Now let us see how to determine the location of a point in an angle. Okay, see. This is O, P and Q. Point B here, A and C. Now point A lies interior of the angle POQ, and point B lies on the angle and point C lies exterior of the angle POQ. Okay. Now the session ends. In this class we have discussed what is a curve. And in a curve, open curve, closed curve, polygon, sides, vertices and diagonals we have discussed. Okay. And we have discussed what is an angle. And angle is measured by protractor. Okay. And we had discussed how to determine a location of a point in a polygon as well as in an angle. Okay. Thank you. If you like, subscribe.